Hey guys, this is Black. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about Python programming language. What is Python? Python is a high-level versatile programming language known for its readability and simplicity. Python supports multiple paradigms including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. Python has a large standard library and a thriving ecosystem of third party packages, making it suitable for various applications such as web development, data science, artificial intelligence, automation, and more. It was created by Guido von Rossum and first released in 1991. What are the key aspects and features of Python? Readable syntax. Python emphasizes readability with a clean and straightforward syntax, making it easier for developers to express concepts in few lines of code compared to other languages. Interpreted and dynamically typed. Python is an interpreted language, meaning that code is executed line by line without a separate compilation step. It is also dynamically typed, allowing for more flexibility as variable types are determined at runtime. Extensive standard library. Python comes with a comprehensive standard library that provides modules and packages for a wide range of tasks, from working with data structures to handling networking and web development. Community and ecosystem. Python has a vibrant and active community. The Python package index hosts a vast collection of third party libraries and frameworks, contributing to its popularity in various domains like web development, data science, machine learning, and more. Object oriented and procedural. Python supports both object oriented and procedural programming paradigms, allowing developers to choose the approach that best fits their needs. Cross platform. Python is a platform independent, making it suitable for developing applications that can run on various operating systems without modification. Popular in data science and AI. Python is widely used in data science and artificial intelligence due to libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, and PyTorch, which provide powerful tools for scientific computing and machine learning. Community driven development. Python's development is guided by the Python enhancement proposals process, allowing the community to propose and discuss changes to the language. What are the skills that you need to possess to become a Python developer? Core Python knowledge. Strong understanding of Python fundamentals, including data types, control structures, functions, and exception handling. Object oriented programming. Proficiency in applying OOP principles in Python, including the creation and use of classes and objects. Web development frameworks. Familiarity with popular Python web frameworks such as Django or Flask for building robust and scalable web applications. Database knowledge. Experience in working with databases using Python, including knowledge of SQL and interaction with databases through libraries like SQL Alchemy. Version control. Proficiency in using version control systems like Git for tracking changes in code and collaborating with other developers. Web technologies. Understanding of web technologies, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, to collaborate effectively with front end developers. API integration. Ability to work with APIs and integrate external services into Python applications. Testing. Knowledge of testing frameworks like PyTest and the ability to write unit tests, ensuring code reliability and maintainability. Data structures and algorithms. Strong understanding of fundamental data structures and algorithms, enabling efficient problem solving and code optimization. Automation and scripting. Skills in writing scripts and automation tasks using Python, contributing to system administration, DevOps, and general automation efforts. Libraries and frameworks. Familiarity with various Python libraries and frameworks relevant to specific domains such as NumPy and Panda for data science, or TensorFlow and PyTorch for machine learning. Collaboration and documentation. Effective communication and collaboration skills, as well as the ability to document code clearly for other developers. Containerization and orchestration. Knowledge of containerization tools like Docker and orchestration tools like Kubernetes for efficient deployment and scaling of applications. Security awareness. Understanding of basic security principles and best practices such as handling sensitive information securely and preventing common security vulnerabilities. Continuous learning is crucial in dynamic field of software development. So Python developers should often stay updated with latest trends, tools and libraries within the Python ecosystem and related technologies. Some interesting Python facts. Monty Python connection. Python's name is inspired by the British comedy group Monty Python. Guido van Rossum, the creator of Python, enjoyed their work and the name was chosen to reflect a language that is funny and quirky. White space matters. Unlike many programming languages that use curly braces or keywords to define block of code, Python relies on indentation to indicate the scope. This unique feature enhances code readability and enforces a consistent coding style. Batteries included. Python is often referred to as a batteries included language because of its extensive standard library. It comes with a wide range of modules and packages that simplify various tasks, reducing the need for external libraries. Duck typing. Python follows the principle of duck typing, which emphasizes the object's behavior over its type. This allows for more flexibility and dynamic code but requires careful consideration to avoid unexpected behavior. Easter eggs. Python has a tradition of including playful Easter eggs in its software. For instance, the Zen of Python is one such Easter egg, and the language occasionally includes whimsical surprises for the users. These aspects contribute to Python's charm and have played a role in its sustained popularity and widespread use across different industries. Python real-time usages. Web development. Python is widely used for building web applications. Frameworks like Django and Flask simplify the development process, and platforms like Django REST framework facilitates the creation of robust APIs. Data science and analytics. Python is a dominant language in the field of data science. Libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and matplotlib are extensively used for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. Machine learning and AI. Python is the language of choice for machine learning and artificial intelligence. Frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch enable developers to build and train complex neural networks. Automation and scripting. Python's simplicity makes it ideal for automation tasks. It is frequently used for writing scripts to automate repetitive processes, system administration, and deployment tasks. Scientific computing. Python is used in scientific research and computational simulations. Libraries like SciPy and NumPy provide tools for scientific computing, solving mathematical problems, and performing complex calculations. Network programming. Python's socket programming capabilities make it suitable for network related tasks. It is often used in developing network applications, including client server communication and network automation. Cybersecurity. Python is employed in cybersecurity for tasks such as penetration testing, vulnerability testing, and writing security scripts. Frameworks like ScapPy are popular for network analysis and packet manipulation. Game development. While not as common as in some other languages, Python is used in game development. Pygame is a popular library for creating simple 2D games. Financial and trading applications. Python is widely used in finance industry for algorithmic trading, risk management, and quantitative analysis. Libraries like Pandas are particularly valuable in handling financial data. Desktop GUI applications. Python supports GUI application development using libraries such as Kinter, PyQt, and Kiwi. Developers use these to create desktop applications with graphical user interfaces. IoT, Internet of Things. Python is used in IoT projects for its simplicity and versatility. MicroPython, a Python 3 implementation for microcontrollers, allows developers to work with IoT devices. Bioinformatics. Python is utilized in bioinformatics for tasks like analyzing biological data, data sequencing, and computational biology. BioPython is a specialized library for bioinformatics applications. That's it for the video, guys. If you enjoy the content, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.